Is your business number changing, and you're panicking about your Wati account? Don't worry, changing your registered phone number on Wati is easier than you think. First, navigate to your Wati dashboard. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on the Settings option. This is where you'll find all the configuration options for your Wati account. Under the Settings, you'll find a menu on the left-hand side. Scroll down and click on API keys. This section allows you to manage the connection between Wati and your WhatsApp business account. Next, look for the Change Number button on the right side of the screen. Clicking this button will bring up a pop-up window where you can enter your new phone number. Please ensure you enter your new number correctly, including the country code. After entering the new number, Wati will send a verification code via SMS to your new phone number. Enter this code in the designated field to verify your ownership of the new number. This step is crucial for security and ensures only you can change the registered number. Once verified, Wati will display a confirmation message indicating that your number has been successfully changed. That's it. Your Wati account is now linked to your new phone number, ensuring seamless and uninterrupted service for your WhatsApp business communications.